Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at the best practices you can do in affiliate marketing so you can get the best results. Now obviously there are tons of practices we could possibly talk about and it would be a discussion for hours and hours. Therefore in this particular video we are going to focus on the top 5 practices that I personally use, and they had a tremendous effect on not only on my affiliate marketing business but in my life in general as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into this. So what is the number 1 practice, or the first practice we're going to talk about? The first practice is using a sales funnel. Alright, so number 1, sales funnel. So why is it so important? Why is it so powerful to use a sales funnel in your affiliate marketing? Now, what is the biggest asset of a sales funnel is that you control the activities the viewer is doing on your pages, alright, or pretty much in your funnel. Alright, now if you compare it to a regular website, there are tons of menus. There's the about section, the maybe some different categories to choose from, and all sorts of options for the viewer to do. And therefore it might be sometimes confusing for the viewer to actually do some action because of the so many options, right? And we as human beings, we tend to not actually do any choice if we have too many options to choose from, right? I'm not sure how this from psychology point of view, how is it called, but when you have too many options, you tend not to do any choice, right? So the more options you have, the more difficult it is to choose from, right? On the other hand, if you have just one option to do, all right, the choice is very easy to do, okay? And that's exactly what the sales funnel is doing. It eliminates this confusion, all right, from the options, and you personally direct the activities of the viewer on your page, right? So if you want them to leave you their email address, that's the action they are going to be offered to do, all right? If you want them to click the button, that's the option. If you want them to watch the video, that's the option. Nothing else is going to be there, all right? That's the number 1 powerful thing about sales funnel. I'm not even gonna talk about how you can implement yourself into the whole sales process thanks to the sales funnel. All right, it's called through the bridge page, and I have actually complete video about the bridge pages. All right, about the importance of a bridge page, so you can watch it over here. All right, but here it is only about the sales funnel. Okay, the sales funnel is helping you in directing the activities of the viewer itself, right? So that's number 1. What is the number 2? Number 2 is knowing the product's ins and outs, right? So ins and outs of the product you promote. Okay? Now, why is it so important to know the product that you're promoting? There are tons of products you could promote without actually buying the product or knowing it. Yeah, you can go on affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and just take the affiliate link and promote it. Why would you actually want to buy the product, right? Well, the simple reason is that you buying the product or being the customer of it, going through the process of what your customer is going to go through, right? First of all, it gives you the idea about what the product is all about, okay? It gives you the confidence in promoting the product, all right? That pretty much you went through the process and you actually implemented the activities you've been taught in this product, and therefore you are going to be more confident in promoting this product to your audience, all right? That's the number 1 thing. However, on the other hand, knowing the product's ins and outs is going to help you to analyze the pros and the cons of the product. Now, any product has pros and cons, all right? Even if you go for the crappiest product ever, you will find some pros in it. If you will go for the best product ever, you will find some cons in it, all right? So knowing, going through the product helps you locate and indicate these ins and outs, the pros and cons of the product, and therefore you can highlight the pros of it. You can really focus your promotion on those pros, and on the other hand, if you find the negatives, okay, the cons, you can eliminate them by using bonuses. All right, you can offer bonuses to your customers that eliminate these negatives. You can just say, guys, this product is great at this and this and this. However, there is, something is missing over there, which I offer you as my particular bonus over here, completely free. All right. So you give them something extra valuable, which is to you, and that actually helps you also in the conversions. All right. So again, if you want to know more about bonuses, I have a complete video about that. Anyway, so that helps you in this, all right, to knowing the pros and cons in the actual promotion of it. Plus, I'm not gonna even talk about the chances that the customers or the viewers, potential customers, are going to actually ask you questions about the product, all right? And obviously the questions can be pretty specific about it. So you going through the product is going to really help you tremendously to sell the product and to actually answer these questions, okay? So that's number 2. What is number 3? Number 3 practice is using video, all right? Video marketing. So video. Yeah, by the way, just excuse my handwriting. I know it's not the best one. Anyway, so the number 3 practice is video. What do I mean by video? Well, if you're not using video marketing in your activities, whether it is affiliate marketing or whatever else business you might be doing, you're missing out tremendously, all right? Video marketing is the marketing of today. It's not of the past, it's not of tomorrow, it's of today, all right? Everybody just love video, okay? We spend hours and hours watching videos, whether it is on Facebook, on social media in general, YouTube, all right? Now these short videos are so popular that we just we consume all of these videos. We love it, right? So if you're not using video, it's you're missing out big time, all right? And with video, it's the number 1 sales process, sales tool you can use to actually promote and sell, all right, your products. And video actually helps you to really connect with people and build the relationship with them. Now, this is a little bit connected to our 4th point, all right? So we'll get back to it, but it really helps you to build that connection with people. And obviously there are different ways how to do a video, okay? You can do a face-to-face video, just like this one, which I highly recommend for you to do it, all right? Because that actually shows you to other people, and they can actually know, like, all right, this person is behind all of this, okay? Behind all of this, there is a real person, and I can actually see him, I can actually connect with him, and I either like him, don't like him, I like his way of talking, I like his, the way how he moves or whatever it might be, all right? So you give them the option to connect with you, with the video, right? Obviously there are different ways how to do a video, okay? But I highly recommend doing a face-to-face video and overcoming the fear of the camera, which most people have, all right? I know it because I was exactly the same. And if I can overcome it, you can do it, all right? It took me 36 attempts to record my first video, all right? 36 attempts, and I haven't even used that video, all right? You can definitely do it as well. So what is number 4? Number 4 practice is building a brand around yourself, right? So branding, right? Now, what do I mean by branding? Branding means that instead of focusing all of your marketing or promotional activities onto the product itself, you focus it on yourself as a person, as a brand, all right? Now, this is connected with the video as well, all right? And with the sales funnel as well, because video is number 1 tool how to actually brand yourself, how to actually implement yourself into the sales funnel, all right? And the reason why it is so powerful to really create a brand around yourself is that when you focus all of your promotional and marketing activities on the product, all right, then you build that trust to that product. But then if you want to change your activities to some different product or a different direction or whatever, you will need to start all over again. All right, you will need to start from zero, because you just change the product and you change pretty much everything. However, if you focus all of your activities on, or most of your activities, promotional activities, and building the marketing, building the branding around yourself, around your person, then people will connect with you rather than with the product itself. They will connect with you as a brand, as a person. So therefore, if you're going to change the product you're promoting, they are actually going to buy the product anyway, because it's you who they like, it's you who they trust. It's not the product itself that you were promoting that they trusted, it's you who they trusted, and therefore they are going to buy from you again. And it doesn't matter what product you're promoting, all right? You can promote some different completely different product, you can promote some additional products, okay? And they are going to buy from, because they develop that know, like, and trust factor, all right? Which is, you know, very important in selling, to actually sell, because when people trust you, that's when they are going to buy from you, right? So if you develop the branding around yourself as a person, they are going to buy from you also in the future, right? So branding is more for the long term, all right? So more for the long term, when you want to maybe change the little bit of a direction or add more streams of income to your business, all right? That's why branding is so powerful, and I highly recommend it, okay? So that's number 4. And our last but not least is going to be one of my favorite ones: consistency. Consistency. Now guys, you've probably heard it before, consistency is the key, and it really does apply, right, in affiliate marketing as well. Now, you might probably see it as something that it's not that important to talk about, but for me, it is one of the most important things to actually practice and do. Consistency is really the key in whatever you're doing, not only in affiliate marketing, but in life in general as well, all right? To be consistent in your activities is going to help you tremendously. That's really, you know, you're gonna either make it or not. So, you know, especially in affiliate marketing, if you're doing, you know, organic traffic, you know, the free traffic, consistency in your content, in posting your content day to day on a daily basis is really the key, all right? And many people fail at this stage because they do it for a week, maybe for a month, or even for 2 months. They don't see the results and they quit, even though, you know, the results are actually, they are not above the surface, but they are under the surface. You are building that foundation, right? But it's like a seed, you know, you plant the seed, you water it, so the results are under the surface, you know, the basements, you know, the foundations, but you don't see the results above the surface, because it takes time to develop those strong foundations, and then you can build it above the surface. And that's exactly why consistency is really key. If you post one post on Facebook, nobody's gonna notice it. If you're going to post one post every single day for 3 months, 4 months, people will start noticing you. People will start noticing you. They will be like, all right, this guy, I actually know him. I've seen his post before. I never actually watched it. I never actually clicked on it. Let me actually check, who is this guy made of? What is this thing that he is doing? What is this thing that he's recommending? What is this guy doing? Let me check him out. And that's how you build that connection with people, all right, with consistency. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you get lots of value from it. Hope you get lots of aha moments from this. All right, if so, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what are your personal best practices in affiliate marketing. How many of these are you actually practicing yourself? All right, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I post a new content. Alright guys, and listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, how to build your affiliate marketing business that brings in consistent sales and profits, an A to Z guide, a blueprint on how to do that, how to do sales funnels, how to do implement video, how to do branding, all of that stuff. Alright, if you are interested in that, go ahead and grab my 4-day video series. It's completely free, you get full access to it. I talk about all of these things in great detail over there. Alright, so if you're interested in that, it's the first link in the description below. Alright, you get full access to it, and I will see you inside of it, as it is literally directly by me, the video series. Alright, so if you go for it, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine, I will see you in the next videos, and by then, have a great rest of the day. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye guys.